Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall the DuckDuckGo app from an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen where all your apps are displayed. Now look for the DuckDuckGo app icon. It usually has a duck logo on. Once you find it, press and hold the app icon with your finger. After a few seconds, a small menu will appear. From this menu, tap Remove App. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm what you want to do. Tap Delete App and then tap Delete again to confirm. Once you do this, the DuckDuckGo app will be completely removed from your iPhone. This also deletes your browsing data stored inside the app. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled DuckDuckGo from your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.